So let's stay with the earnings. FMCG companies Britannia and Marico also reported a good Q4 numbers. Mangalam is here with the analysis. Mangalam?
Well, for Britannia, it was like the biscuit. The most of the cream was in the middle itself. We saw solid margin performance. Well, if you just take a look at the revenues of the company, 4,023 crores. The street was working with a number of 4,050 crores. So largely in line out there, if it all, a mild below what the street was working with. But the company more than made up for that by its EBITDA, 800 crores versus expectations of 705 crores. And the net profit coming in at 557 crores. Most of the street were working with a number sub 500 crore itself. What is it that led to this sharp expansion in the margins? Gross margins. They came in at 690 basis points higher than the same time last year, 120 basis points higher quarter on quarter, and they are at an all-time high itself. The domestic volume growth of the company was just 1% as against street expectations of 4 to 5%. But the company explains this by saying that, a large part of that was because of lower demand for low unit packs. We have seen weakness out there. And secondly, grammage reduction. So the same biscuit that was available at 10 grams last year is now available at 7 grams. So that's impacted volumes as well. But the number of packs that sold were up by 12%. So no real worries out there as well. The other big trigger for Britannia is that non-biscuit portfolio grew about 1.5 times faster in the previous year, with brands like Croissants and Winking Cow crossing that 100 to 150 crore mark itself. Another positive trigger is Varun Berry's reappointment. Now, as far as Marico is concerned, the results were largely in line with street expectations. The company said that, they expect improving domestic volume growth and revenue growth trajectory. The gross margins and EBITDA margins are likely to improve as well. So despite inline set of numbers, the internals were good, and at the same time, management commentary was great as well. So see the stock in the green today.
Okay, all right. So that is about the FMCG space. Thank you, Mangalam, for that.